Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup tax documents to a secure CPA portal, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tax documents for the backup process. Ensure you have your income statements, receipts, and any other relevant financial information ready. Access the secure CPA portal using the link provided by your CPA. Log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Document Upload section of the portal. Choose the option to upload new documents. Select the files you want to backup from your device. Make sure each document is clearly labeled for easy identification. Consider organizing your files into folders if the portal allows it. Review each selected file to ensure accuracy and completeness. After confirming the documents, proceed to upload them to the portal. Wait for the upload process to complete. Keep an eye on any status messages that indicate if the upload was successful. If there are any errors during the upload, address them as instructed. Once all documents are uploaded, check the portal to confirm they are visible. Consider downloading a copy of the uploaded documents for your own records. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section of the portal. Reach out to your CPA for assistance if needed. Regularly backup your tax documents to stay organized and prepared for tax season. Keep your login information secure and change your password periodically. By following these steps, you can ensure your tax documents are safely backed up to a secure CPA portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.